This is the fastest way to build credit that nobody ever talks about. If you're banking with Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, or any other big bank, I want you to know that those big banks don't care about you. Yeah, that's right. I said it. And I don't mean they don't care a little bit. I mean they literally don't care if you win, lose, struggle, or stay broke. When your credit is bad, they don't help you. They don't guide you. They don't give you a second chance. They wouldn't give you a pack of gum in your name. But the second your score goes up, now they start sending you emails. Pre-approved, congratulations, you've been selected. And that's just fake. That's like somebody ignoring you when you're broke and then calling you when you have money. And the crazy part, and most people are out here trying to fix their credit just to impress these banks. And that's the mistake. And that's why you're stuck. But today, I'm going to show you how to stop chasing approval and start building leverage. So instead of begging banks to accept you, I'm going to show you how to build leverage so they start chasing you. And here's the crazy part. You don't even need credit cards to do it. You want to make sure that you watch this to the very end because there's a very crucial part that people always miss and always do wrong. But on today's video, I'm gonna make sure that you win. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Everything you've been told about credit cards sounds a lot like this. Pay your bills, keep your utilization low, open a secured card. Cool, that's all basic. That's level 1. And here's the problem. Everybody's doing that. So why is everybody stuck? Because your credit score, it's not your power. Let me say that again. Your credit score is not your power. Your score is just a reflection. The real question is, do lenders trust you? Because I've seen people with a 765 get denied, and I've seen people with a 520 get approved for $20,000 credit cards. What's the difference? The relationship, not the score, not the tricks, the relationship. And nobody is teaching you that. And this is where you flip the game. You stop chasing big banks. You start building with institutions that actually reward loyalty, like Navy Federal Credit Union, Langley Federal Credit Union, Digital Federal Credit Union, NASA Federal Credit Union, and Patelco Credit Union. These aren't just banks. They are relationship-based lenders, meaning the more you build with them, the more they invest in you. But let me explain to you what makes them different. Credit unions are member-owned. That means the more you bank with them, the more they want to lend you. They're not just looking at your past, they're looking at your behavior right now. So instead of asking, is your credit perfect? They're asking, are you building with us? That's a completely different game. And now we get into the blueprint. This is where you stop guessing and start executing. Step number 1 is what I call open your foundation. Open a checking account and open a savings account. And you need to take this very seriously. Not 20, not 50. Put as much as you can and put more into your savings. Why? Because you're signaling stability, responsibility, commitment. You're no longer just another applicant. You're becoming a member. Number 2, direct deposit. You set up at least a $500 direct deposit. This is critical. You can't skip this because now the credit union sees money flowing in, consistency, and real activity. You're building trust without saying a word. Now, step number 3, the secured loan strategy. This is the most important because this is the move that changes everything. You're going to open up a secured loan for a minimum of 24 months. Now, listen very carefully to this part. Do not put it on auto payment yet. Let it hit your credit report first. Once it shows up on your credit report, you call them and you pay off 80 to 90% immediately. So you're probably asking, now what happens? Your profile shows low utilization, active account, and strong payment potential. And then put the remaining balance on auto payment and let it ride for the full term. And now you've created perfect payment history, strong profile, long-term trust, all from one simple move. Now this is where most people mess up. They get impatient. They want results in 30 days. That's not how this works. You need 6 to 8 months. But hold on, there is an option. Let's say you come in with a top tier credit score, you dump a bunch of money into your actual checking and your savings account, and then you can run the play in exactly 31 days if you choose to. But understand, the longer you build the relationship, the higher the limits and the better interest rates they're going to offer you. That's just how it works. And the other sweet spot is 91 days. But again, I'm going to always tell you, you want to do a minimum of 6 to 8 months, but it's totally possible. But we want the highest limits and we want the best interest rates possible. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. And here's the key. All of this has to be consistency, not random credit cards, not applying everywhere, no emotional decisions. You're building a financial identity, and every month you're getting stronger. Now here's where everything pays off. After 6 to 8 months, you apply for their middle tier credit card. And this is where people get shocked, because now you're not walking in as a stranger, you're walking in as a valued member. So instead of $300 limits, $500 limits, you're seeing $10,000, $15,000, even $25,000 limits. Same person, different strategy. Last part's the most important. Now let's shift a little bit and talk about the biggest trap. Credit ones, first premieres, open skies. These cards are not designed to help you grow. They're designed to keep you stuck. Fees, low limits, no relationship. You're building nothing with them, and that's why you stay in the same position. Now here's how you level this all up. While you're building with the credit union, you also need to clean up your credit, but not the hard way, not guessing, not writing letters, no confusion. And that's where Dispute Beast comes in, because it creates custom dispute letters, sends them out, tracks progress, shows you real FICO scores, and it's backed by a 110% money back guarantee. So while it's doing the work, you're focused and building your future. So now you've got a choice. You keep trying to fix your credit, you keep chasing banks that don't care, and keep applying and getting denied, or the right way, build relationship, build leverage, and build power. So if you're ready and serious, I want you to comment the word beast or hit the link in the video description and the pinned comment. Let's stop playing small and level up for real. And if you want to learn about more massive changes that are coming to credit reports and credit scores in 2026, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's going to tell you the entire breakdown of all the changes that you probably haven't heard of. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.